Poco F9 Ultra. So this mobile is going to be a flagship mobile. Let's talk about this mobile. First of all, this mobile is going to come with a display that is a 6.9 inches of huge, 185 Hz refresh rate supported, Dolby Vision supported, HDR10 plus supported AMOLED display, and it is going to be a display which was protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. They could have gone with the Corning Glass Victus 2, but yeah, it's a good display. And when we talk about the processor, since this is a flagship mobile, it's going to come with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, which is a 3nm based 5G octa-core processor, which is the same processor as my S26 Ultra. And it's going to be the mobile which comes in mostly 3 variants till the news now, that 8GB RAM 256, 12GB RAM 256, 12GB RAM 512GB internal storage variants. Now these are going to be the top of the line features like UFS 4.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5 RAM types, so we can expect a great performance from this mobile. Oh, by the way, if you're watching the video till now, subscribing to the channel will be very amazing. And this mobile is a complete gaming mobile, but they are also giving a good camera setup in terms of the pepper features. It comes with a triple cameras at the rear side, a 200 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, and also a 50 megapixels of telephoto periscopic lens. With this mobile's back camera, we can shoot up to 8K 30 FPS, and for the front, it comes with a 32 megapixels of front-facing selfie camera. We can shoot up to 4K 30 FPS with this mobile's front-facing selfie camera. To power up this beast mobile, when we talk about the battery, it packs a 8050 milliamps of huge battery, yes, and it supports 100 watts of fast charge through wire, 50 watts of wireless charge, 27 watts of reverse wired charge, and 22.5 watts of reverse wireless charge. So it comes with all the things in terms of battery. When we talk about the connectivity, this mobile comes with almost 18 5G bands, and it also comes with the latest features such as Bluetooth 6.0, Wi-Fi 7 teraband fast support, Bluetooth 6.0, and also it comes with the NFC also. But this mobile doesn't come with any IR blaster stuff like that. This mobile, when we talk about the operating system and the Android version, probably this might come with the Android version 17 out of the box if this releases by the end of this year, and Hyper OS latest version. When we talk about this mobile's other features, like this mobile doesn't come with any stereo 3.5mm jack, but it comes with a stereo speakers which supports Dolby Atmos also, according to the news till now. And this mobile will comes with the body. When we talk about the body, this mobile comes with the aluminum frame and front glass, and the back is a mix of polycarbonate and fiberglass body. So this mobile, when we talk about the box contents, this mobile comes with a mobile itself, charger, cable, TPU case, and SIM ejector tool, and quick start guides and stuff included in the box of the mobile. When we talk about this mobile's security, like this mobile comes with the in-display fingerprint scanner, that's obvious, and it also comes with IP68 and 69 water and dust resistance also. So you don't need to worry about the mobile's the features about the water resistance and dust resistance. This mobile, when we talk about the colors, it will be available in 2 colors, like the black and a reddish color. I will leave a link to buy this mobile in the description box down below with the other videos of my channel, so you can go and check it out from there after the mobile releases. I will add the link. So this is all features about the mobile. Okay, when we talk about the price range, till the news now, this mobile might release with the price tag of 69,999, almost 70,000 rupees. But I am assuming that this mobile might not comes with that price range. It might go around like 76,000 rupees in between that price range. Okay, so yeah, we have to wait and see whether, until the mobile releases, what is the price of this mobile is going to be. So that's for the video. Thanks for watching.